Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson and welcome to our continuous coverage of the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project. We're here in 3 Mile, just across from Tools Park there. We're seeing road work taking place on the roadway here, just 3 Mile by the ramp. We're seeing where soft cuttings took place earlier. We're seeing marl and being thrown here inside the roadway. Just along the pothole here along the roadway, and soft cutting took place, I told you earlier, along the side as well, just by the ramp. And the more soft cuttings along this part of the roadway here in 3 miles. Still here in 3 miles, and that represents some taxi operators. We're calling for a withdrawal of service one day this week, and this month actually, as they press the demand for increase in taxi fares. As right now, the cost for say 3 miles to half a tree is $100 Jamaican dollars, and that's earlier called for doubling of the fare to go to halfway tree. And they're also asking that it's either increase in taxi fares or they cut by 50% the cost of the road license for taxi operators. So TOTS is making some demands on the authorities. Let's wait and see how that one will work out. And this area, which is the old taxi stand.
Everybody that call and tell me how them some on YouTube all over the world.
Yeah man, bless up.
Man, I love that man, I love that.
Yeah man, bless.
Pick up my sister again in New York every time. And every time, yeah, I love that, yeah man.
Yeah man, bless.
Alright, bye.
We're seeing one taxi operator now using this area, the old taxi stand. We're seeing indication along the sidewalk. That's some work will be taking place shortly. Red markings, like this. You see the red markings here? Look like finally we're going to see the work start to transform this area into a taxi stand. This part of 3 Mile need a garbage bin. I can see all the food boxes and the soda bottles right here, just beside the Scotiabank wall and 3 miles here. See the pothole here at 3 miles, just heading to the bridge there. Beside the bridge. No war, only love, you know? Only love. I'm Dudley Thompson at 3 miles for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and thanks in advance.